I work at a large campus where we have multiple facilities, and I was traveling from one facility over to another. That was about 1.5 miles away, and just before I got to the second facility, a gentleman hit the side of my car. I had never been in a serious accident before, and I was trying to do all the things you need to do, getting pictures and calling people, making sure everyone's okay, when I started to realize that I was in a lot of pain and found out that I had a fairly serious injury, had a broken sternum, and concussion and other items that took quite a while to heal. The whiplash from the accident caused one of my spinal discs to go into my spinal column partially, so it had to be removed, and I had to have a spinal fusion. And there was a danger that I would be paralyzed. Fortunately, I didn't wind up. It was successful, at least for the near term. The insurance company was anything but helpful from the other driver, even though it was entirely their fault. It went through a long period of time with them trying to blame me and turn everything around. And without the help of Bachus and Schanker, I would have never gotten anywhere with the insurance company to get a fair settlement, because in the end, it was demonstrated that it was 100% the other driver's fault. I had seen Bachus and Schanker's advertisements and felt very positive with the way the approach Bachus and Schanker took to the cases. I came in and met with the attorneys and was very happy I did. And it even though the whole event of the accident, recovery, the legal issues are very stressful, it's just incredible to have someone in your corner that's helping you out. That really relieves a lot of the stress. Everyone I dealt with was incredibly polite, nice to work with, responsive, knowledgeable, and that just makes a huge difference, because that makes you feel better that things are moving forward, they're moving in the right direction, they're moving at the right pace. And you need to have a lot of faith and trust in the people you're working with, and everyone I dealt with here was incredibly responsive and courteous. I was treated well, the process went well. Kyle and everyone else involved in the case really went over backwards to educate me as to what was going on. When I started this, I had no knowledge of what it takes to go through an injury lawsuit to the point of where you achieve a settlement. And can't say enough about having someone in your corner that is there for you. I would have never made it through this process without Bachus and Schanker in my corner.